And I'm very happy that this second Trans-Himalaya, let me just check it out, Trans-Himalaya Communication and Social Development Conference is taking place in Kathmandu under the jointly organized by Department of Languages and Mass Communication of School of Arts. So this is the first time that we have so many prominent scholars in communication field from China as well as India, Bhutan, US, and Nepal. So from Nepal universities like professors from Pokhara University, Triveni University have participated and made this conference a grand success. So I hope that in the future also our collaboration continues. This in fact heralds the new beginning in our relationship and collaboration. So I did not have time to sit through all the presentation, but some of the presentation I sat through were truly, they carried the theme of this conference, and hope that the scholars, the paper presenters and the panelists, they learn from each other, and so we can move forward together, as neighbors with common values and for the vitality of the people of this region in the future too.